Okay, just got my money, and there's a woman next to me. I think she was Asian. I didn't realise she's actually Vietnamese and an Aussie. So she was perfectly at home after speaking to the money changer. So said her son is having trouble trying to learn Vietnamese. He's used to English. So that made me feel a bit better. Oh God, it's only 4 o'clock, I've got plenty of time. See if I can find this repair guy. I won't go to Timo Hangout though, it's a bit late for that. But I've got a couple of things done today. Big one is really getting someone to show me some apartments. But better get this done before I head back home, and then I can commit over online rather than go straight in there. Just give them the wad of cash when I arrive at the airport, and they can put me straight into an apartment rather than staying at somewhere like Ahana in the interim. So we'll see how that works. Like I said, you know, if I have to stay in District 2, so be it. I mean, Grab's so cheap and convenient that getting from there to here is not that far. It's certainly cheap. Anyway, see. I'd say so. I've enjoyed being in District 7. It's a nice change. I mean, I've been here so many damn times. It's just good to do something different. Well, that was an interesting experience. There's like a little enclave in there of a whole lot of different alleyways with lots of girly bars, and I suspect that they're probably catering to a Japanese and Korean clientele. I'm only guessing, but one of the girls was quite funny. She came up to me, and it's like she's from a restaurant saying, "I love you." It was so cheesy, I just had to laugh. And she kept persisting though. She came back twice, and I thought, wow. You know, I do actually admire her dogged determination, but yeah, I guess they're pretty desperate. There's so many bars there. It's a Monday night. It's pretty dead. Maybe on a Saturday night it would be bopping. It might even be worth going to just to see how things pan out, because I've never seen such a concentration of bars in such a small area. So yeah, whatever. I think I got slightly ripped off of the other part I went to. I wouldn't bother going back to Miss Mekong. I wouldn't bother going back to it. Although the girl running it was nice to talk to, but I think she overcharged me for the drinks. But yeah, I get the impression this is a hunting ground mainly for Asian tourists. That's where the money is. And, you know, fair enough, hey. I can understand that. That's fair enough, but I'm not going to be part of that deal. But I would be fascinated just to go and check it out on a Saturday night maybe. It would be quite interesting, because it will be very busy. And just through that little gateway there are a stack of girly bars and restaurants and the like. And I think it's pretty well exclusively catering to an Asian clientele, I would think. Show me the money, that's what they come back to. So, interesting. Always good to go out of your comfort zone, check out other parts of town. This is sort of like a red light district, but it's very tame compared to red light districts elsewhere. So, I haven't had anybody come up to me and try to proposition me for services that are provided outside this area, which happened to me last time. So that, but it is early days. It's not even 8 o'clock, so maybe it is 8 o'clock by now, but it's pretty early. So, you know, I'd be expecting quite a bit there. I think Apocalypse Now is just open, for instance. So there you go. As you can hear, it's a good time to get out of this place. There's some major renovations taking place upstairs, and not very pleasant to be around building work. But I'm going to go and just check out the dentist. I want to get a teeth cleaning done, and this BF dental clinic up the road has been highly recommended online. Google. Got about 4.8 rating, which is very high. It's amazing how passionate people get about their teeth, though. If they don't like a dentist, they pay out big time. And I was very shocked at some of the negativity about Grace Dental, who I thought were really good dentists in Chiang Mai. And there's some people who were saying, you know, that they'd been misdiagnosed and they were trying to rip them off and all this sort of stuff. And I've never had any issues with them. I guess if you get the wrong practitioner in a practice, anything can happen. And maybe they were just stiff. But it's not my experience. But, you know, people, like I say, they get very passionate about dentists. But in any case, I'll give this mob a go. Because I haven't had it clean for a while. I'm not going to get into Chiang Mai anytime soon. Still got a blocked ear. My left ear's been blocked all day. It's been off and on for a while now. I might have to get that seen to when I get back to my GP. See if they've got any clues about that, because it sort of pops in and out. It's popped in and out a lot over the last few months, but now it's just blocked. So I don't know what the story is there. Maybe it needs cleaning too. It's warm again though. The weather's been very warm up here. Got a bit of a distance to go, different part of town to have a look at, which would be good. And the clinic's quite a large clinic. I couldn't find a price for teeth cleaning on this side. It seems like it's a hybrid between English and Korean. So it's a bit annoying because some things are in English and other things not. So I think someone said it's around a $10 mark, which US, which would be, what would that be? I'm trying to think now. That would be about 150, 100, maybe a couple $100,000 dong, maybe something like that. Let's see, which is very reasonable. It is. Depends on the extent of the cleaning they do, of course. Well, the rate I got they quoted me for the teeth cleaning was actually $25, so it's a bit more, plus $10 for the consultation you got to have, which is fair enough, I guess. So they give a discount for paying cash. I'm happy. I've got stacks of cash and I'm happy to pay. It's going to cost me about 750,000 dong. That's fine. Similar to what I pay in Chiang Mai. And you know, I don't want to stuff around with people. Yeah, I want to get decent service, and it's got a very good name, so go for it. It's still a lot cheaper than I'm paying in Australia, so I've got no problem at all. I'm totally out of touch with the current local rates in Oz, but I could imagine that they're horrendously high. It'd be a couple of hundred probably to have a teeth cleaning these days. So looking at about a third of the price, no, a quarter of the price. So definitely worth doing it. And seeing I'm going to be here 3 months, just to be good to suss out a dental clinic in case I'm going to need some, have an accident or something. It's just nice to know a decent place, because I had an experience with another one here, another dental clinic, where they were pretty incompetent with the x-ray, and they had to do it several times because an untrained girl kept botching a mouth x-ray and continually tried redoing it. Now they just don't do that. It's unprofessional, it's dangerous, and I lost all faith with it. And I had the cleaning done. The lady was very nice to talk to, but she didn't do a great job of cleaning either. So that's one thing about Chiang Mai, they do excellent teeth cleaning. So we'll see how it holds up. But fingers crossed it's quite good. So we'll just see. I'm just walking back to my place, taking a different route. There's a lot of retail outlets around here. I probably should put some more money in my. I haven't got the card with me. I should go to the bank and put some money into my account. Okay. go through the park here. Yeah, I need to put some money into my Grab link account, into my bank account, so that I can access more funds for my... I've been using Grab cabs, Grab bikes so much that every second day, it'll be 2 days in a row tonight, because I'll go to that language meet-up. So anyway, see how we go, and I'll get on to these real estate agents to see if I can get some sort of a viewing arranged to look at some of these apartments tomorrow afternoon. Would work out well, because I've got to go to the city anyway. I've got to pick up my shoes, so that'd be perfect. So we'll see if I can arrange. One of them didn't get back to me straight away, but the other guy I was contacted was very quick, so I'll just see. And the thing is that woman mightn't have got back to me, because the ones in District 4 I'm interested in, the apartments, they're all long-term rent. But you know, if they're missing out on rent, I'm able to dangle them 3 months. I think they should be flexible, hopefully, to go with that and get out the front this way. I gotta say, it's nice the way this area is well manicured. Lots of parks, and that's looking back onto the main street towards where I'm staying, down the side street. Yeah, it's quite nice. Please consider subscribing to my channel if you think there's anything there of use to you, or entertainment, or whatever. And either do that, or give me a thumbs up, or if you're feeling really energetic, do both. That'd be great. But please don't ignore me. That's the worst thing you can do on YouTube, is be ignored.